Harvesting bitter gourd.
It looks like a banana.
Look like a banana?
Oh, look, oh, it's a banana.
Nino, ipakita man na ikatimata ka.
Harvest again.
Harvesting. Dito eh. Come here. Come here. Here, this way. There you can see the bitter gourd.
Eggplant also. Eggplant.
Don't touch. Oh, wow. Oh, look. You touch. You touch.
Oh, you see?
Wow. Bitter gourd.
Oh, day! Dali! Okay, nanin, nabsonan!
Okay, catch.
Oh,
hold.
hold.
Hold. Dadakkel niya. Oh.
Oh, that's a small one.
Okay.
Oh.
Get.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh.
Banana again.
Oh, look at this. This is what is this?
So many.
What is this?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Very good.
Oh, this one also, and this one, and this one.
Pero may siguro ti kuha na dyan.
Hey, so many. No, it's your better. I want this one also.
Ah?
This one also.
Oh, you get again.
You get. You get.
Cut. Cut.
Catch. Wow, can you show it to Dad? Hello, Daddy. I have
A banana also.
not banana, it's bitter gourd.
Better go just like a banana.
Us look like banana. Very good.
Look, oh. Another one's there.
No more.
Oh, this one, oh, that one. This one, another one.
Another one.
Oh, oh.
Nay, nilabsot nan manang.
Ay!